everybody. I wanted to show you what I'm doing today, which is making hogshead cheese. We roasted a hog on our Cajun microwave for Christmas, and he was just a little big, too big. We ordered a whole hog, and we just decided that it was just a little too big for the Cajun microwave, and so we cut off his little head and saved it, and we cut off his little feet and saved it. You can buy these, of course, in the grocery store, already about this size, sometimes split down the middle, but this we happen to just take off of the hog that we roasted for Christmas. And so so my husband loves head cheese, and so I'm going to make that for him today. So I thought I would show you how I do it. So let me put that here. I've got a big old I've got a great big old stainless steel pot. I like to cook with stainless steel or cast iron. I do have some aluminum stuff that I'm trying to phase out. I'm trying to phase out like plastic and aluminum stuff out of the kitchen. But anyway, so I do have my trusty stainless steel pot for this one, because we're going to boil this a long time. Anyway, so what I have prepared here is a lot of veg, or you can call it your bouquet garni if you want to get fancy. I have garlic and ginger that I've cut up here. There's some cinnamon sticks and some star anise. I've got lemongrass. I might put a parakeet in the mix too if they keep making noise over there. Anyway, celery, purple onion. Doesn't have to be purple onion. That's just what I have on hand. That's what, and most of this is, you know, just what I have on hand too. This is some cilantro, mostly stems. This is some Thai basil. It's a little bit wilted. I left it in the refrigerator and it got a little bit wilted. This, you know, is something that I just happen to have on hand. I wouldn't, you know, normally this is not like the recipe for it. And I've just eyeballed all of these quantities. For instance, I also have probably a cup of chopped up carrots. I thought this was 2 bay leaves, but now that I pick it up, I see that it's 3. I'm going to put that in there. This is like maybe a 1/4 cup of ginger. It's a whole piece that I've just sliced a little bit. I squashed the garlic just a tad, you know, and maybe a cup, maybe a little less of just this roughly chopped celery, roughly chopped onion. We're gonna boil all of this for so long that it's gonna pretty much just disintegrate in the liquid. So I'm just gonna put all this on the bottom of my pan, my pot first. I'm gonna put this on the bottom, and then put the hog parts in there afterwards, and then fill it up with purified water from our Berkey, and go from there. Okay, so there's carrots and bay leaves. I think I told you everything that's going in there. I think I'm going to put a little bit of turmeric in there too. But anyway, after that, I'm just going to drop the head, the hog's head, right down in here, and the trotters right down in there too. And then I'm just going to cover it up with water and boil it really slowly, like 5 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, you pick. You can just check on that. It's all gonna fall apart and be just a beautiful broth, a lot of gelatin. It's gonna make a gelatin kind of. And so in another video, I will show you the aftermath of that 5 hours, and to show you how to take all the meat off and sort through for the bones and chop it all up real fine, clarify the broth, and then put it in a tureen so that you can mold it and then take slices of it, and it's just wonderful for breakfast or for a sandwich on crackers, anything like that. A good old-fashioned meal that a lot of old folks like Everyman and myself just love. So I'll show you the rest of it in another video. See you then.